We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, now we begin our line integral second lecture, and here we are having now line integrals over vector fields. So we take line integrals over a vector field. In the previous lecture we took the line integral over the plane. Now, so we'll start with a vector field. So we begin with a vector field, say F, and that is say is equal to say P I caret plus say Q j caret plus say R. So these are the functions, and our position vector. So the curve is given by the position vector R as say xi caret plus y j caret plus z k caret, and this t lying between a to b. So the line integral, so this c is curve is like this, and the line integral of f along the curve C is, this is the definition, line integral along C, the definition is f dot dr. So, or you can say it is set a to b f, that is r f is a function, and dr, so that is r dash t dt. This is the way the line integral defined, and this is easy. In fact, we can solve the example directly. So we take one simple example here. So we take one example here. Evaluate integration along C f dot dr, where the function f x y z equal to 8x square y z I caret plus 5z j caret minus 4xy k caret, and the curve C is described by R. So this is T I plus t square j plus t cube k 0 less than equal to t less than or equal to 1. So this is the example, and we can now solve. F dot dr. So first we take the dr. So or you can take f here. So the f is 8 x square y z I plus 5 z j minus 4 x y k. Now r is t I plus t square j plus t cube k. So that we can say like x t I caret plus y t j caret plus z t k caret. So you can have x is t, y is t square, and z is t cube. So that is the value of x, y, z. So can we make one more thing is dr, and that is nothing but derivative of t with respect to t. So that is I, this is plus 2j plus 3t square k. Now f is 8 x square y z. Now x is t, x is t, x is t, then y is t square, and z is t cube. So f is 8 x square, so that is t square, y t square, z t cube I caret plus 5zj. So 5 z is t cube j minus 4 x is t, y is t square k. So f equal to 8, this is t power 7 I plus 5 t cube j minus 4 t cube k. Now what is f dot dr? F dot dr. So f dot dr is 8 t power 7 I plus 5 t cube j minus 4 t cube k, this is f, then dot dr. So it is I caret plus 2 j caret plus 3 t square k caret. And so f dot dr is 8 t power 7 then plus 5 t cube into 2t minus 4 t cube into 3t square, and so that is equal to 8 t power 7 plus 10 t power 4 minus 12 t power 5. So that is f dot dr. So therefore required line integral, integration along C, f dot dr. So basically this is nothing but in fact dr by dt. Okay, this is dr by dt. Now f dot dr, so we can write in this way, f dot dr is f dr by dt dt. Okay, and even t is from, you are given t is from 0 to 1. So we take t is from 0 to 1. So now this is equal to t equal to 0 to 1. Now f dot dr by dt, f dot dr by dt. So that is nothing but 8 t power 7 plus 10 t power 4 minus 12 t power 5 and dt. And now this is simple integration, 8 t power 8 by 8 plus 10 t power 5 by 5 minus 12 t power 6 by 6 and t equal to 0 to 1. So this is now 1, then plus 2, then minus 2. So the answer is 1 here. Let us take one more example. Evaluate integration along C f dot dr, where f is xzi minus yzk, and C is the line segment from -1 to 0 to 301. So we need to parameterize this line segment. Okay, so here let us parameterize the line segment. From -1 to 0 to 301, and we know in the previous section, we know it's not difficult. So it is nothing but 1 minus t into the first point, -1 to 0 plus t into the second point, 301, and t lying between 0 to 1. So this is the way you can have the parameterization of the line segment. So that is nothing but, this is a -1 plus t, then this is a 2 minus 2t, this is 0 plus 3t 0t, and so now this 3t plus t minus 1, so 4t minus 1, this is 0 and this is 2 minus 2t, so this is 2 minus 2t and this is t. And see, t is from 0 to 1, so if you put t equal to 0, you will get the first point. If you put t equal to 1, you will get the second point. Even you can apply the 12th standard technique, like line passing through the points. So that we know, that is y minus 3 upon 3 minus minus 1, then x minus 0 upon 0 minus 2, z minus 1 upon 1 minus 0, and that is equal to say 3 t. So x house, sorry, this is x and this is y. So x minus 3 over 4 equal to t. So what is x? X equal to 4t plus 3, then y equal to minus 2t, and z equal to t plus 1. You can see this parameterization and this parameterization looking different, but they are in fact not different, they are same. If I here if you take t to be equal to 0, then here you will get the second point, and t equal to 1, then you will get the first point. So it's not the, or even you can have like this also, rather than this one you can have x here for the same, x plus 1 over 3 minus minus 1, so plus 1, then y minus 2 over 0 minus 2, and z minus 0 over 1 minus 0, and all that equal to t. So x equal to, this is 4t minus 1, y equal to minus 2t plus 2, and z equal to t. So then you will get the same one. So whether you take first point this minus 1 to 0 or 3 0 1, everything will be same. So these are the, we are having like this now RT. So 4t minus 1 I plus 2 minus 2t j plus t k. Okay, and that is x, y, and z. This is x, this one is y, and this one is z. Then we can have even dr by dt also. So this is 4 I caret minus 2 j caret plus 1. Derivative of t is 1, derivative of 2 minus 2t is minus 2, derivative of 4t is 4. And now f dot dr by dt. So f is xzi. Okay, so let us take f here first. So f equal to xzi and minus yzk. So we can have now f is x is 40 minus 1, and z is t. So xzi minus yz, so minus y is 2 minus 2t, and z is t. Okay, this is f, and this is dr by dt. So f dot dr by dt, so 40 minus 1 into t I minus 2 minus 2t into t j, and dot dr by dt. So this is 4 minus 2j plus k. So dot product, not difficult. This is k. Okay, so this is k, sorry. So now 40 minus 1 t I, and here it is 4i. So this is 4 into t into 4t minus 1. Then there is no j here, but k is there. So this k. So minus 2 minus 2t into t. This is f dot dr by dt. So this is 16t square minus 4t minus 2t plus 2t square, and so that is 18t square minus 6t. and now we are in a position to find the line integral. So, required line integral, integration along C f dot dr. So, that is t equal to 0 to 1 f dot dr by dt into dt. So, that is equal to t is from 0 to 1 18t square minus 6t dt, and so this is 18 t cube by 3 minus 6 t square by 2 t equal to 0 to 1. So, that is 6 minus 3, and the answer is 3. Okay. Let us take one more example. So, this was asked in GTU 2013, that if f equal to 3xy I minus y square j, then evaluate line integration along C f dot dr, where C is the arc of the parabola y equal to 2x square from, say, origin to the point 1 2. So, it is like this. Y equal to 2x square. So, y equal to 2x square. So, the parabola is like this, but it is from 0 0 to 1 2. So, this point is A 1 2. So, this is the arc. So, this is our curve C. So, now here you are having f is 3xyi minus y square j, and curve is y equal to 2x square, and the arc is from origin 0 0 to A 1 2. Now, even if you do not parameterize this equation, this curve, then also it will work. We can solve even by both the methods, we will get the answer same, but some of the example you do not need to parameterize also, like this example. Here you are having f dot dr. So, can I write like this, that f is 3xy I minus y square j dot dr. Here only x and y variables are given. So, you can have, say, r is xi plus yj, and we can write dr as like this, dxi plus dyj also. This way also we can write. And so, f dot dr we can even write in this way, 3xy dx minus y square dy. This way we can write. Now, see, we want to integrate line integration, single integration. So, here you are having x and y. So, now we are using this y equal to 2x square. So, y equal to 2x square, so dy equal to 4x dx also. So this is equal to 3x, and now y equal to 2x square dx minus y equal to 2x square. So y equal to 2x square, and so it is y square. So it is 4 x power 4, and now dy is also 4x dx. So this is equal to 3 to the 6 x cube minus 4 for the 16 x power 5 and dx. Okay, this is our f dot dr. We didn't do any parameterization. So the required line integral is integration f dot dr. Now see, that is f dot dr, this is f dot dr. So that is what? 6 x cube minus 16 x power 5 dx. Now limit is of variable x, so that is not difficult. See, here the curve is from origin 0 0 to 1 2. So x variable is x point is 0 here and 1 here. So x is 0 to 1, and integrate and then solve. That's the answer. So 6 x power 4 by 4 minus 16 x power 6 by 6, 0 to 1, and you can evaluate this, you will get the answer. This is a 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. Okay, minus 7 by 6. And even if you want, you can parameterize also, it's not a problem. You can parameterize also the y equal to 2x square. So let us parameterize like this. Say x equal to t, then y equal to 2t square. Dx is dt, same way dy is 4t dt, and then you yourself find that f dot dr by dt. Then what is r here? So r is x I plus yj, x is t. So this is ti and y is 2t square j. So f dot dr by dt equal to I plus 4tj. Derivative of t is 1, derivative of 2t square is 40. And now you can have f. What is f? So f is 3xy minus y square j. So here you can have x as say t, y as say 2t square, I minus y square, so it is 4 t power 4 j. This is f. And now here you are having dr by dt also, f is also there, and if I take t to be equal to 0, then it is origin, and t to be 1, then see, t to be 0, then x 0, y 0. So this point O, t 1, then x 1 and y 2. So that is, so t is 0 to 1. So here then you can take f dot dr by dt. Now I leave to you this example, 0 to 1 t. Here you are having f, here you are having dr by dt, and then you can have the line integration like t equal to 0 to 1 f dot dr by dt and dt, and you will get the same answer, minus 7 by 6. This way also you can do. So if in some of the example you may even do not take parameterization, it will work. Take one more example. So would like to take the example having some circle kind of things. So let us take this one. Evaluate line integration f dot dr, where f is x plus y I plus 1 minus x j, and c is the portion of the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, that lies in the fourth quadrant with the counterclockwise direction. That means anti-clockwise direction. So basically ellipse you are having the major axis here along the y axis, because you can see that x square by 4 plus y square by 9, so 9 is bigger here. So but it is in the fourth quadrant, so here you can have like this, only this portion of the ellipse we are having. So this point is 2 and this is 3, and counterclockwise. Okay. So along this curve we want to find out the line integration. Now let us first parameterize x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So can we write x equal to 2 cosine t, y equal to 3 sine t, you know. Okay, that is not difficult, that you can have cos square t plus sine square t equal to 1 kind of things, and then you can have, and so that is r as 2 cosine t I plus 3 sine t j. Now see the value of t lying between minus pi by 2 to 0, because it is in the fourth quadrant only. So here you can have minus pi by 2 and then 0. Now f, what is f you are having? X plus y I plus 1 minus x j, And so x is 2 cosine t, y is 3 sine t I plus 1 minus x, so 1 minus 2 cosine t j. This is f. We can have dr by dt. So this is minus 2 sine t I plus 3 cosine t j. Now f dot dr by dt. So 2 cosine t plus 3 sine t I plus 1 minus 2 cosine t j, and its dot product with minus 2 sine t I plus 3 cos t j. And so this is equal to, so 2 cosine t plus 3 sine t into minus 2 sine t, then plus 1 minus 2 cosine t into 3 cosine t. Now this is minus 4 sine t cosine t, then minus 6 sine square t plus 3 cosine t minus 6 cosine square t. So this is equal to, can I use the result 2 sine t cosine t as sine 2t. So this is minus 2 sine 2t. Then this is a minus 6 sine square t minus 6 cos square t, so that is minus 6, and this is plus 3 cosine t minus 6. So this is f dot dr by dt. So required line integral integration f dot dr by dt dt f dot dr, and this is t is from minus pi by 2 to 0. Even you can take t is from 3 pi by 2 to t equal to 2 pi also, you will get the same answer. So this is equal to minus pi by 2 to 0. Now f dot dr by dt is this one, minus 2 sine 2t, then plus 3 cosine t minus 6 dt, and then this is integrate. That's not difficult to integrate. So if you integrate this, integration of sine 2t minus cosine 2t by 2, 2 cancel, minus minus plus, so this is cosine 2t. Integration of 3 cosine t, 3 sine t, and minus 6t from minus pi by 2 to 0. And so if you put 0 here, cosine 0 is 1, sine 0 0, t 0, then minus pi by 2 cosine 2 minus pi by 2 plus 3 sine minus pi by 2 minus 6 minus pi by 2. So this is 1, and this is minus 2 cosine minus pi is same as cosine pi, and cosine pi is minus 1. But sine minus pi by 2 is minus sine, so minus 3 sine pi by 2 is 1, and this is minus minus plus 3 pi, and answer is 5 minus 3 pi. Thank you.